Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of Snowflake Obsidian, the stone of surrender. If you're new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your everyday life. And today we're going to be finding out how you can do that with Snowflake Obsidian. But if you've been watching my videos and you really enjoy them and you're learning a lot and you want to learn more, then make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I post 4 videos a week about how crystals and gemstones can help you in your everyday life situations. And today, you'll find out how Snowflake Obsidian can help you. Now, this is a member of the Obsidian family, so it is formed in the same way. When that magma and that lava and that hot liquid energy cools and it transforms into this deep, energetic black stone. But Snowflake Obsidian, this stone, this happens when there are other little minerals in the obsidian that crystallize and they form these little snowflake features. And it's a beautiful stone, and each member of the obsidian family has its own special healing properties. And I've done a video on obsidian and mahogany obsidian. Snowflake Obsidian is the 3rd in the series, and rainbow obsidian will be up in the future. The first benefit of working with Snowflake Obsidian is that it is the stone of surrender. And this is a gemstone that helps you surrender to a situation that is out of your control. And it doesn't mean that you accept the situation or that it's okay with you, but that you've decided to stop struggling and fighting against it and work with the situation to see what you can do in your life that goes with the flow of that situation, rather than trying to fight against what we don't have control over. And that is something that causes so much suffering in our life. Struggling against something that we cannot change, or having a deep attachment to the way things used to be. And Snowflake's Obsidian helps us just release that control, that need to control, releases that attachment, and helps us figure out how we can move forward. It is phenomenal and so supportive after a breakup, a loss or a death of a loved one, loss of a job, the changes that have come up during this pandemic. It's a wonderful stone to help you let go of the fight. And it helps us put our trust in a higher source, the universe, our higher self, our spirit guides. We give up control to them and trust that they will help support us during this transition to help find the way forward that is for our highest good. Surrender. The second benefit of Snowflake Obsidian is that it helps us release negativity. And when we are struggling against something that we have no control over, we do often feel pretty negative and bitter. And Snowflake Obsidian helps us just release that, to break out of cycles of negativity. And if you've ever experienced, say, being frustrated with, say, a situation that happened yesterday, a situation at work, a discussion with somebody that left you really frustrated, and you keep on thinking about it, and you can't get it out of your brain, you can't get it out of your heart, it just sits there and churns and feeds itself, then Snowflake Obsidian helps us break that cycle and let it go. Just let go of that negativity. This is especially useful if you have been surfing social media for a while and it leaves you feeling icky and frustrated and just mad. Because sometimes when I've been stuck on the internet for a while, I get caught in that rabbit hole. Then, especially right before bed, then I go to bed feeling all frustrated with people and the world. Snowflake Obsidian helps to just transform and release that negativity. Just let it go. This is also good if you're trying to let go of bad habits, unhealthy, or just not unproductive habits in your life. Snowflake Obsidian helps you release the need to do that. And it could be a habit of checking social media first thing in the morning or right before bed, or a habit of being on your cell phone at nighttime, a habit of comforting yourself with food. Like Snowflake Obsidian helps release and break those cycles. The third benefit of Snowflake Obsidian is that it encourages deep peace. This is a natural result of the first two benefits. When we let go of the struggle, the attachment, the grip on negative thoughts and moods and habits, we're left with a sense of peace, a stillness, a calmness within. Because we've released our worries to the universe, to those gods and deities and angels that help us, and we trust. We trust that things will work out, that we will get through this, and that we don't need to worry or stress or latch on to that frustration anymore. It's such a feeling of relief when you don't have that burden on you anymore to worry about things that we cannot change. Then the fourth benefit of Snowflake Obsidian is that it helps protect us while we feel vulnerable. And the Obsidian family, all of its members are extremely protective, and they create a protective energetic shield around us to protect us from negativity and ill wishes and any kind of negative energy around us. And in particular, Snowflake Obsidian is very supportive when we let go. When we let go of the attachment and struggle and suffering, that could leave us feeling very vulnerable. Like, where do I go from here? And it creates just a safe, healing space to help us when we feel lost. To help when you're having a dark night of the soul. When you're feeling helpless and hopeless. And you're at a point when you just need to surrender all of this pain and frustration and struggle out to the universe and trust. That's a very vulnerable, open space And Snowflake Obsidian helps us feel protected until that trust settles in and we start seeing the light. Snowflake Obsidian is such a powerful stone that really wants us to release the fight, to release the suffering, to escape the suffering that we put on ourselves. And it helps us move with the flow of life rather than trying to swim upstream. This is a stone that I have found deeply helpful in the past and is helping me even right now. And I hope that it helps you. And if you feel like Snowflake Obsidian is a gemstone that could help you in your life right now, then in 2 days, I will be posting a guided meditation with Snowflake Obsidian that will help you determine if it's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. And if you are new to this channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post an informational video about the gemstone, and on Fridays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. And if you're really interested in doing a deep dive into gemstone and crystal healing and truly making a difference in your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.